Hello, it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I'm making this vlog style video because tomorrow I'm going to be heading out to Big Bend National Park. There's going to be a rally, so I'm very excited to go tomorrow. And I'm just starting the video this evening to show how I have my motorcycle set up on a hitch carrier. So let's take a look. I have it on a Black Widow hitch carrier that I bought on Amazon, and the limit for that is about 400 pounds. Now the bike itself with a full tank of gas is about, let's say, a 340, I think, and I tied it down with a bunch of ratchet straps, and also the ramp for the hitch carrier. It adds up to about, let's say, 350 total, so I'm just 50 pounds under the weight limit. I hope that it holds up tomorrow and there are no incidents to report. Hopefully it's a safe drive down to Big Bend National Park, or Terlingua to be specific. That's where we're going to be camping out, and I'll just be sleeping inside my car. So yeah, this is my CRF300L Rally, and then inside the car where I'll be sleeping, let's take a look. Yeah, so I have like emergency stuff here, my tool bag, tank bag, sheepskin. I also have a anchor. I forget what the model of this is, but this is a battery pack so I can charge my stuff. Camping chair, gun holster to put my gun in. That is a sleeping mat, a bunch of water, my Camelback, ham radio. I'm a ham, and water, other emergency stuff. And I'll be sleeping over here with a sleeping mat, sleeping bag, camping pillow. And here, where my wife usually sits, are my helmet, my riding gear, pants, jacket in case it's cold. I know it's not going to be cold, it's going to be hot, but just in case, you never know. There's also waterproof lining in here. Then I have my protective gear if I want to wear just a jersey. This luggage, this Moose Racing luggage, has all my change of clothes, underwear, towel, all that good stuff. So yeah, this is hopefully, there's still other stuff I need to bring. Like I didn't withdraw cash, completely forgot, so I have to do that. I have to buy some firewood for campfire. To show you a better view, let's go around here. And also, like, I plan to sit here, take off my boots here so I don't bring in the dust, because it's supposed to be very dry and dusty. So I have my boots and my flip-flops here. Those are riding boots. Obviously, I'll be wearing also my regular boots. Oh, first aid kit, more battery packs, air pump, flashlight, camera mount just in case I need that, a little tripod in case I need that for camp, headlamp. Yeah, there's a sleeping bag, sleeping mat, camping chair, water. And yeah, this is where I'll be sleeping. I look forward to many miles of fun, and I'll catch up with you all tomorrow. Have a good night. Good morning, everyone. Just gonna do the last minute checks here before I leave. Just decided to bring out a few more last minute stuff. I might be overpacking, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. And of course, deodorant, toothbrush, all that stuff. Okay. Look. She's gonna beep every time I reverse. So we're stopped by a state trooper. I think it's a state trooper, or Fort Worth PD, because Les and I don't have front license plates. I've never been stopped for that reason before, but I know that Texas is a two license plate state. So he's gonna let us go with warnings. We're about 5 hours away, and yeah, we got pulled over. We're like middle of nowhere, Texas now. Really cool. Never been around here before.
Have you ever done the trails in Colorado, like the San Juan
So we're only an hour away now from our destination, and the landscape's changed. Now I know it's very brown and kind of plain, but I think it's pretty. It looks very different. It's like we left Texas and we see these little churches with church bells. It's like we left Texas and we went to the Old West, like before the borders of Mexico and the United States were formed. Or, you know, you might imagine some, I don't know, Comanches, Comanche Indians here or something. It's really cool. I like this. That is cool. Yeah, the landscape completely changed. It's like we've left Texas. I think we just arrived. It is now 4:37 p.m. and we're just pulling up on some dirt road. I think we're here. I'm happy to say that nothing happened. The drive was relatively easy. Yeah, I'm happy to be here, man. Yes. I'm excited. I'm excited to ride. We're gonna unload soon. As soon as we find a camping spot, we're gonna unload our bikes and ride to Starlight, where we'll have our meetup and dinner. Meet with all the other bikers. Here, check this out. All the dirt road. This will be awesome. It's very dusty though. So we made it. Bike carrier did well. We're going to unload now and head out to Starlight, meet up with everybody else and have dinner. So happy to be here. I'm excited. Might be dusty. I might as well close the visor. I'll follow you. I'll just follow you.
Okay.
Yep. I don't know my way around. I don't know where to go.
Anything on private land, there are people out here with guns, and if you ride up their driveway, they might pop a shot in your direction. The one who was the most notorious passed away. He shot like 3 or 4 vehicles over. Comes out here regularly. The way you impress me is you make it through the weekend, don't have any accidents, don't get ranger involved, don't end up in the hospital with broken ribs, and your bike rolls and rides.
Dinner was done. It was good. Brisket was a little dry, but still a good dinner. Got to hang out, meet people. Now we're gonna head back. Les and I are gonna go back to camp now. Just gonna follow because I don't know the way from where he lost. I don't know how well you can see in the dark. Hopefully you can. Alright, so right now we're just setting up camp. Taking out the firewood. I don't know if we're gonna have a campfire tonight. But I'm gonna set up my sleeping bag. And I parked my bike here. Out of the way. Let's see. Alright, helmet. It's a little cramped. It's unfortunate, but gotta make do with what I have. Hopefully this fits. Heaven. We're ready to poop, boys. Leave that here in case I need to crawl out of here in the middle of the night. Alright, get ready to go to bed. Good night.